Good morning. If you've yet to pop out today, don't forget your brolly or raincoat. It will come in useful. I'm pretty sure the UK is still in a very spell of unsettled weather. There's a dip in the jet stream over us right now, and within this dip in the jet stream, a low pressure is lurking. It's been here for a couple of days now, and it's bringing us the very heavy showers, especially to northern parts of the UK. So we're in for downpours with thunder and lightning in places today, and some of them very slow moving. Now there is another low pressure approaching us. You can't miss this weather front, but quite often ahead of weather fronts we just get a shot of slightly warmer air. Now this isn't hot air coming all the way from the southern climes, it's just slightly warmer compared to what we've had, and the warmer air will probably bring us temperatures of around the mid-20s across some southern and eastern areas of the country. So here's the weather front. A southerly wind builds ahead of it. Yes, it rains across the northwest of the country, so it's not going to be warm everywhere. Rain for perhaps Belfast and Glasgow, but Norwich and London, the thinking is, could get up to 25 degrees. That's the computer suggesting 23 or so, but us being weather forecasters, we anticipate about 25.
A very good afternoon to you. Feeling more like autumn than August this weekend, staying quite breezy. Further downpours, a bit of a soaking this Sunday. In many locations, it's looking a little disappointing, but I'm optimistic of brighter skies developing before the end of the day.
Good evening. It's a summer that just keeps on giving, isn't it? More downpours around today. We've seen the dark clouds gather. These ones captured on the Ayrshire coast earlier, and there have been near tropical downpours for some, leading to flooding. We saw these scenes in Glasgow as we went through the afternoon, and it's certainly been Scotland where we've seen the worst of the storms lately. They're continuing into the evening at the moment. Some wetter weather just pushing into northwest of Northern Ireland. The big downpours across Lincolnshire and Norfolk, they're fading away at long last, but there's more rain gathering towards the southwest.
Now, the low pressure for the culprit of those showers pulls its way north and eastwards through Tuesday. A little ridge of high pressure means we'll see more sunshine as we go through Tuesday, and warmer for the rest of the week. Pollen's next. Now, the unsettled spells of weather to start this week, our pollen levels will stay around moderate, but we'll jump to high through Tuesday and Wednesday, where we see a little more sunshine and something drier, brighter and warmer. That's it from me. Bye-bye.
Good evening, thanks Joel. Well, I think whilst it's been dry and incredibly sunny across some parts of Western Scotland so far this summer, for the rest, I think you wish we had those computer models to change the weather. It's been a summer of British resilience, as we saw in Hull earlier on. We've seen plenty of downpours over the past few days, some seeing a month's worth of rain. The reason is that the jet stream has been dipped down to the south of us almost a week now, in fact, and within that dip is where low pressure forms. It's low pressure which brings us those shower clouds, air rising, those big downpours, and that has been stuck in place. But there are signs of something different this week. Let me just take you through to midweek. The jet stream is dipping to the west of us, and that, whilst it brings an air of low pressure close by during the second half of the week, it does mean high pressure builds to the east. And so what that means in terms of weather is, after quite a showery, quite a stormy week, things are going to turn dry. A few showers around for most of them. We'll see some rain in Western Scotland, and it should start to turn a bit warmer.